We have different ways of doing it.
Yes.
But all I ask, if all the ways come for the one way, which is true, is just being real with it.
Yes.
My chest being up there, my best clothes there, I don't want you looking at that.
Amen.
Just like I said to my wife, I'm saying, when she's at work, and as in anybody, if you close your eyes and think of that special person, and it makes a smile come to your face, that's love to me. It's not what I do, and at times it's not how I do it. It's what you see in my love for you. And I'm talking like, if you would just be sitting there and be like, I know she loves me. It ain't because she's standing in front of me with no dozen bowls, a plate full of food, a bit, however it may go. It's because I can look at her and feel she loves me. That's how it is with God. That's how you should. That's the connection you should have with God. Knowing, though we don't see Him, we know He loves us.
Yes. Yes.
You got to know this. As much as everybody in your own case have been through what they've been through, do you really believe that you would have made it